Close your eyes and imagine your brain, not as a silent organ hidden in darkness, but as a glowing city alive with light. Billions of neurons fire like constellations, sending signals across tiny bridges, creating thoughts, emotions, creativity, and clarity. Every memory you've ever made, every idea you've ever born, every word you've spoken began as an electrical whisper between two cells. And this city, your mind, runs on fuel. Every bite you take sends energy, information, and chemistry to that intricate network. The question isn't just what you eat, it's how well your brain can think because of it. We spend our lives feeding our bodies, but forget that our brain, that 3-pound universe, consumes nearly 20% of all the energy we eat. And not all fuel is created equal. Some foods build the scaffolding of focus, memory, and resilience. Others fog it over, draining your sharpness one meal at a time. The good news? Nature designed everything your brain needs: color, fat, antioxidants, and flow, hidden in food that doesn't just feed you, but awakens you. Let's explore 6 of them. 6 everyday miracles that nourish cognition, spark clarity, and keep memory alive. First, blueberries. Small, quiet, unassuming, but they're pure alchemy for your neurons. Inside these dark little gems lie anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that cross the blood-brain barrier and protect neurons from oxidative stress. Think of them as microscopic shields, deflecting inflammation and free radicals that age the brain. Studies from Harvard and Tufts have shown that regular blueberry consumption can delay cognitive decline by years. Yes, years. They increase blood flow to the brain, especially in regions tied to memory and learning. But beyond the science, they remind us of something poetic, that nature's deepest blues feed your brightest thoughts. A handful a day is not just food, it's mental longevity. Next, fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, mackerel, and trout. Their secret lies in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically DHA and EPA, the structural fats that form your brain's grey matter. Nearly 60% of your brain is fat, and a good portion of that should come from omega-3s. These fats build neuron membranes, make them flexible, and improve how quickly they communicate. DHA, in particular, enhances synaptic plasticity, the ability to learn, adapt, and form memories. When your brain lacks omega-3s, it's like trying to send signals through stiff, frayed wires. With them, every thought travels smoother, faster, clearer. 2 servings of wild-caught fish per week can sharpen focus and support mood. Because when your brain is well fed, it doesn't just think better, it feels better. Third, leafy greens. Kale, spinach, collard greens, Swiss chard. They're loaded with vitamin K, folate, and lutein, nutrients that protect neurons and enhance communication between brain cells. Vitamin K supports the creation of sphingolipids, a type of fat essential for brain cell structure. Folate aids DNA repair and supports the formation of neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. And lutein, the same pigment that protects your eyes, also guards brain tissue from oxidative stress. In a landmark study from Rush University, older adults who ate leafy greens daily had the cognitive abilities of people 11 years younger. 11 years, that's the difference between forgetfulness and clarity, fog and focus. The color green doesn't just symbolize growth, it creates it. Fourth, nuts and seeds, especially walnuts, almonds, and pumpkin seeds. Walnuts look like little brains for a reason. They're rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 that improves communication between neurons. They also provide vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant to protect against cognitive decline. Almonds, with their magnesium and riboflavin, support energy metabolism in brain cells. Pumpkin seeds bring zinc, iron, and magnesium, minerals that regulate memory formation and concentration. The magic of nuts and seeds isn't just their nutrient content, it's their portability, their simplicity. A handful between meals keeps your blood sugar steady and your brain firing in rhythm. Then, turmeric, golden, ancient, sacred. Inside it lies curcumin, a compound with remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant power. Curcumin crosses the blood-brain barrier, increasing levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. a growth hormone that literally helps neurons regenerate. Low BDNF is linked to depression and cognitive decline. When you raise it, you help your brain stay young. Curcumin also helps clear amyloid plaques, those sticky clusters associated with Alzheimer's. Pair it with black pepper, which boosts absorption by 2000%. Together, they form an elixir of mental longevity, an ancient spice blend now validated by modern science. Finally, dark chocolate. Yes, the right kind. 70% cacao or higher, rich in flavonols that increase blood flow to the brain and enhance focus. Flavonols stimulate nitric oxide, which relaxes blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your neurons. In moments of fatigue, a square of dark chocolate can restore alertness without overstimulating. It also raises serotonin and endorphins, the neurotransmitters of pleasure and calm, creating the perfect environment for creative thinking. Chocolate, at its purest, isn't candy, it's chemistry for joy and cognition, wrapped in bittersweet perfection. Now step back for a moment. Look at these 6 foods: blueberries, fatty fish, leafy greens, nuts and seeds, turmeric, and dark chocolate. Notice something? They're not exotic, expensive, or extreme. They're simple, real, and timeless. Each one works differently, yet together they form a protective orchestra. Antioxidants fighting free radicals, omega-3s smoothing communication, minerals balancing mood, polyphenols improving circulation. Food doesn't just fill you, it informs you. It gives your brain instructions to grow, to repair, to remember. And the science behind it is breathtaking. When you eat these foods regularly, your hippocampus, the brain's memory center, actually increases in volume. Neural connections strengthen, inflammation markers drop, blood flow improves, even gene expression changes. The genes for longevity and resilience turn on. That's epigenetics at work. Your food literally rewriting your biology. But beyond the data lies something deeper, a truth about presence. The mind isn't just powered by what's on your plate, it's powered by how you eat it. When you eat slowly, consciously, savoring flavor and texture, your body releases enzymes and hormones that optimize absorption. Mindful eating, paired with brain-nourishing food, becomes meditation in motion. Every bite becomes a message to your neurons. I'm feeding you life. So, how do you turn this into rhythm? Begin simply. Start your mornings with a smoothie of blueberries, spinach, and a sprinkle of flaxseed. Have a handful of nuts midday. Add turmeric to soups or golden milk in the evening. Enjoy grilled salmon or a quinoa bowl with olive oil and greens. End the day with a square of dark chocolate, not as indulgence, but as gratitude. Over time, these small acts weave together a symphony of clarity. You'll start to feel it. Less brain fog, steadier mood, deeper focus. Your thoughts sharpen, your memory glows with new coherence. You'll remember names, ideas, dreams, not because you forced it, but because you nourished it. The mind, like the body, thrives on care. Your brain is alive, electric, ancient, miraculous. Feed it accordingly. Every bite can be a prayer to clarity. Every meal can be an investment in thought. Stay focused, stay nourished, stay awake. This is Vital Dynasty.